The USDA considers you a beginning farmer if you have less than 10 years experience. And so we're really trying to lower that barrier of entry to farming. Lots of people are excited about farming but don't know where to start. And we're trying to make it really accessible for complete novices to people with just a little bit of experience to start their own farm on 5 acres or less.
In general, it's people who are either have land but are still starting out, or don't have land and are really interested in how to start the process.
It's really exciting that CSU Extension and Denver Botanic Garden are partnering on this project. We've run separate projects in the past, and this year is the first year we've really combined it to offer one flagship product for people who want to start their farm. What's great about this year, we've attracted 18 students from all along the Front Range of Colorado. All the way down south, we have people coming up from Salida, from Summit County, and then all the way out east from Byers and up in Fort Collins. So our program was kind of broken down into 3 distinct sections. The first being evening lectures that we offered.
And to reinforce the information that we cover in the lectures, we did a series of hands-on workshops on weekends that were longer classes.
And then in the last phase, we'll offer 4 advanced modules that students will have to take. And those topics are really fun. They'll leave with a greater appreciation for what it takes to farm successfully and commercially. And it is, of course, our hope to kind of empower people to pursue their farm dreams and kind of get over those barriers to entry and things that are a little bit scary about farming, like equipment. We were up on the Fort Collins Research Farm and got people on tractors for the first time. And everyone felt really empowered about that, and it really took a lot of the fear out of farming.
We want to do everything we can to make sure that people have the opportunities they need to be able to grow the produce for their families and their communities.